Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add SendInBlue or Brevo to your AEvent account. Before we start, please make sure you have your Brevo API key handy. You can get it from your Brevo account settings. Alright, once you're logged into AEvent, please click on Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Simply look for SendInBlue by typing it in the search box. Click Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. Here I'm typing Brevo1 for my SendInBlue integration. Click on Connect. Now it will ask for your API key. Paste it in and click Continue. Alright, once done, go back to your list of integrations and look for Brevo. Let's click on Test. And there you go. We have successfully added SendInBlue, also known as Brevo, to our integrations. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.